Yes, how are you?
Oh, we are fine.
I am fine. We are absolutely fine.
Yes, you have to say absolutely fine. Are you studying or not?
Studying.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Studying.
Studying.
So you're studying properly or just for
Sir,
sake?
properly.
Properly.
Saying
Sir, properly.
We are studying, sir, properly.
Let Shreya Gupta.
Yes, sir.
So we are doing the second lesson. Still I am listening some kind of noises. And they're talking in their vernacular languages. Means local languages. Please avoid it. And before to start this, so due to bad network, again we are assembled. Please.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir. Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good
सर
morning.
आज हम लोग civics पढ़ेंगे ना?
sir.
Yes, today we will try to finish this lesson. Just hold on, just I'm coming.
सर सेकंड चैप्टर का क्वेश्चन आंसर वर्ड में क्यों नहीं भेज रहा?
देख लेते हैं, लिख लेते हैं, हम लिख लेते हैं। हाँ सर, आवाज आ रही है, रिकॉर्डिंग कर रही है ना? So lesson 2 again like the one diversity and discrimination. Diversity and discrimination. In the last previous classes, we have understood about this. What is discrimination?
And
From some boys, I have listening the noise in the background. So please tell them to stop, or I don't want to listen this kind of noise because the others will also disrupted from this noise. That Shivesh. Students, are you listening my noise? So the stereotype, last time we discussed about this. Then listen. So have you seen? last time, right now we have to discuss about the inequality and discrimination. Both are interlinked in some manner, or we can say if the inequality comes, automatically the discrimination will occur or seems. या जहाँ असमानता होगी वहाँ भेदभाव होगा. ये उसी प्रकार है कि जिस प्रकार से अगर आप कोई कॉइन को टॉस करते हैं तो ऑटोमेटिकली इट विल कम हेड और टेल. सो इन द सेम मैनर, so if we take this regarding on the basis of religion, on the basis of religion, please, that when we talk about this in Indian context, in the terms of religion, we have diversity, and the diversity automatically also, because in the previous lesson we have read about in the context of understanding diversity. हमने पढ़ा वहां पर डाइवर्सिटी को हमने समझा कि विविधता क्या है और विविधता जहां जहां होगी, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल you are, maybe you have brother and sister, आप 2 या 3 भाई होंगे ना. तो अगर आप 2 या 3 भाई हैं तो ये जितने भी भाई बहन हैं तो आपके अंदर क्या है, डाइवर्सिटी है ना. डाइवर्सिटी कैसे है, सभी के सभी इक्वल एज के तो हो नहीं सकते, ठीक है. सभी के सभी बच्चे इक्वल एज के नहीं हो सकते. फिर सभी का हो सकता है कि कलर एक जैसा ना हो, सबका हेयर स्टाइल एक जैसा ना हो, सबकी हाइट एक जैसी ना हो. तो ये सारी चीजें, सबका हो सकता है कि हैबिट एक जैसा ना हो. तो दिस काइंड ऑफ डिफरेंस, this difference is a part of diversity. Clear? Then after, so when difference comes, it automatically at some time, this too much diversity also leads, not all the time, at some times it will change into inequality. And in the inequality is known as asamanata, and the discrimination, भेदभाव. So in this, in the context of religion,
meaning of diversity.
right now when we talk about this in the context of religion, if you see in the Muslims,
Yes, sir.
in the Muslims, basically the condition, basically, last time we have also read about the story of Samir and Samir though.
Yes, sir.
So those students who have read the story, or those students who have read this lesson, they can understood that what is the difference,
sir.
what are the difference and what are the similarities between them. ठीक है, कि उनके अंदर difference और similarities
Yes, sir.
क्या है. अब इसमें ध्यान से देखिए, when we talk about the Muslim and Muslims, when we talk about the Muslim girls,
Yes, it's clear.
clear? So when we talk about this, in mostly Muslim society, the Muslims not allow too much girls to study.
Yes, sir.
Or after a fixed term, they will not allow to go to school. Maybe after high school, means after 10th class, or maybe after 12th class.
Yes, sir.
So in that condition, that automatically when they will not allowed to go to school, or if they will not allowed to study, it means automatically the Muslim girls will become illiterate. Or we can say, not we can say illiterate, in some manners they are illiterate. In some manners, they are not too much educated like the others religious girls or other religious girls. And in the Muslim society, mostly I'm not talking about the girls. The society mostly are suffered from the poverty. I think all of you understand about the poverty. The poverty.
Yes, sir.
Poverty means, what is the meaning of
Yes,
poverty?
sir.
What is the meaning of poverty? Tell me, anyone, what is the meaning of poverty? Poverty means
गरीबी.
garibi. Garibi. Then on being discriminated against. So we see in the Muslims regarding the sense of, and first of all the inequality come, and this inequality means we told about that the Muslim girls are, they are thinking that their girls are not equal to the other religion girls, and they're thinking they are just separate in some terms. So that's why automatically when they're thinking they are unequal, then unequal means inequality comes, and the inequality comes, it automatically discrimination will come. Clear? कि जब inequality होगी, automatically it changes into what? It automatically changes into discrimination. Then regarding on the terms of, when we talk about students, so some due to some bad network. Students, so right now we are talking about in the terms of Hinduism. Clear? When we talk about in the terms of Hinduism, they are basically 4 varnas, but we are not talking about the 4 varnas. Talk about general. Another one who belong from SC category. There is a 2 categories, SC and ST. In which when we talk about the SC is known as scheduled caste. Scheduled caste. What is the scheduled caste? Those students, those people who do not belong from the general caste, and they are known as, or the lower section of the society, who are also on the economic terms backward than the general caste, and on the terms of privileges, so they are known as scheduled caste.
किस कैटेगरी
Once more, just there is some network problem. Yes, बताइए.
Sir, video is not clear.
Sorry.
please start.
Yes, शिवांगी,
यस सर.
क्या पूछना चाहते हैं आप?
सर मैं ये पूछ रही थी कि SC और ST किसको बोलते हैं?
बता रहे हैं. SC तो लिख दिया शेड्यूल कास्ट, और ST होता है शेड्यूल ट्राइब. यहाँ पर उसका जिक्र नहीं है, और आपको प्लेन इलाकों में
बारे में बता दीजिए.
बता रहे ध्यान से सुनो.
शेड्यूल कास्ट.
शेड्यूल कास्ट क्या होता है? जो हिंदी में आप टर्म यूज करते हैं दलित, दलित, ठीक है। और साधारण टर्म में अपने आसपास वर्ड सुनते होंगे, हरिजन, सुनते हैं। इफ यू हैव हर्ड द
दलित
वर्ड,
सर सुने हैं।
ये सुने है ना। सो दोज हु बिलोंग फ्रॉम द not from the general category, they belong in the some different country category, and the general caste people see them as a inferior, see them as a inferior. They have a negative thought, and the negative thought comes in what, in the terms of prejudice, ठीक है। या प्रिजुडाइज भी कह सकते हैं, स्टीरियोटाइप दोनों है। प्रिजुडाइज कैसे है, जब उनके लिए हमारे मन में नेगेटिव थॉट आ गई, द पीपल whom we think in a negative thought way, they are categorized in prejudice. And when we think that, when we make a one person or the another person in a whole image, जब सबको हम एक ही इमेज में बनाते हैं, एक ही इमेज के थ्रू देखते हैं,
बाड़ी ना
तो,
बोल रही है,
तो हम क्या करते हैं, उसको किस पे रखते हैं, शेड्यूल, और सॉरी शेड्यूल नहीं,
शेड्यूल ट्राइब में,
उसको शेड्यूल ट्राइब में नहीं रखते हैं। ये कहने का मतलब है कि देखिए दोनों चीज है। आपको लास्ट में हमने क्या बताया, प्रेजुडाइज बताया। प्रेजुडाइज में क्या है, आप उसके लिए एक नेगेटिव थॉट रखते हैं, ठीक है। और स्टीरियोटाइप में क्या है, सभी को हम वन इमेज में शो करते हैं, वन इमेज, एक ही इमेज में डाल देते हैं, ठीक है। ये प्रेजुडाइज, नेगेटिव थॉट, स्टीरियोटाइप, वन इमेज में, ठीक है। दिस वन क्लियर? क्लियर?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
तो यहाँ पर जब हम बात कर रहे हैं शेड्यूल कास्ट की, शेड्यूल टाइप, शेड्यूल कास्ट में यहाँ पर इफ यू सी द पिक्चर ऑन द पेज नंबर 19, सी देख रहे हैं 19 पेज नंबर, तो 19 पेज नंबर पे जब पिक्चर देख रहे हैं, उसमें एक सर है, सर लिख रहे हैं कुछ, वहां पे क्वेश्चन मार्क है, और कुछ बच्चे बैठे हुए हैं। एंड एक्चुअली टुडे नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम, प्लीज बेटा आप लोग ऐसी जगह ना बैठे जहाँ आवाज आए। सो सुंदर, आपको यहाँ पर देखिए, यहाँ पर
सर प्लीज साइड।
शेड्यूल कास्ट के बारे में मैंने प्रेजुडाइज और स्टीरियोटाइप के बारे में फिर से मैंने बताया। प्रेजुडाइज में नेगेटिव थॉट होती है, सबको फिक्स वन इमेज में देखते हैं। Please, I say. Then, in that terms, when we talk about this, page number 19, a photo in which one teacher is teaching, and whatever he is right, and at the front, the some students are sitting. At the front, the some students are sitting, and at the back, there are two students also sitting, and they are sitting where the slippers of the some students are kept. Clear? पिक्चर में देखिए आप लोग पेज नंबर 19 में कि वहां पर अगर आप बुक लेके बैठे होंगे बच्चे, तो वहां पर कुछ बॉयज आगे बैठे हुए हैं जो व्हाइट ड्रेस में, और पीछे की तरफ जो चप्पल के पास बैठे हैं वो ब्लैक ड्रेस में। तो ब्लैक ड्रेस also shows that they belong, means a kind of negative thought that they belong from the schedule caste. They belong from the schedule caste, and they have to sit at the back in the class, not at the front in the class, or not with the students. Those students who belong from the general caste and sitting forward. So this is also create what? This is also create discrimination. ठीक है, ये क्या है आपका, डिस्क्रिमिनेशन को शो करता है। ठीक है, दिस क्रिएट व्हाट, डिस्क्रिमिनेशन। या लाइट दिख रही, लाइट पड़ रही है, मैं आपको बिठा रहा हूँ, देखिए ध्यान से। तो इट विल क्रिएट डिस्क्रिमिनेशन, ठीक है, क्योंकि यहाँ पर जब उस इमेज पे देख रहे हैं तो उस इमेज में क्या दिखा रहा है, उस इमेज में ये दिखा रहा है कि कुछ बच्चे आगे बैठे हैं, कुछ बच्चे पीछे बैठे हैं, और जो बच्चे पीछे बैठे हैं वहां पर जस्ट चप्पल रखी हुई है, स्लीपर्स है। एंड हाउ माय वीडियो इज राइट नाउ कमिंग।
सर को यहाँ से ढूंढना पड़ता है, यहाँ बच्चे दिख रहे हैं।
थोड़ा सा आज नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम है, ठीक है। तो मैंने जो बताया आपको इस वीडियो के अंदर, मतलब उन्हीं को शेड्यूल कास्ट कहते हैं इंग्लिश में, और उसी को हम दलित कहते हैं। और जो उनके साथ डिस्क्रिमिनेशन होता है, और जो डिस्क्रिमिनेशन आज मैंने बहुत पहले सुना है वो शो किया है। Not in this class, in the next year you will also read about how Om Prakash in a book Juthan, in which he tell about the autobiography that he treated badly with the teachers also. Yes, right now the students are sitting ahead. They belong. The students who are sitting ahead in this picture at the page number 19, they belong from the upper caste, or we can say the upper caste is related with general caste, in which the students are sitting ahead, and the students who are sitting at the back, they belong from the scheduled caste, or indeed is known as Dalit or Harijan.
Yes, sir.
In which you have seen in villages, they are not mingled with the another society people. They have lived separate. So you can understood. And the people of the high caste or the upper caste, they are also thinking that they are the superior. They are thinking they are the superior than that scheduled caste people. Here, so right now we're talking about this. Here, right now we're talking about the one very famous person whose name was Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Those students,
Sir, your video is not clear.
Listen, those students who are studying in the Devasthali from the last previous classes from fifth, they have read about in the last EVS book that people, they have also read about the Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Clear? That what the barber told to him. Barber is what the barber saying to that.
सर उनका बाल काटने से बार-बार मना किया था.
Very good. The barber told if he will cut the hair of Dr. Bhimrao or Ambedkar, whatever it, Dr. Bhimrao, then his hands and what?
Become dirty.
Not only hands,
Become dirty.
their hands, the Caesar,
And razor.
yes, Caesar or whatever the razor.
There is treasure
The
are
Caesar
become
yes,
dirty.
Caesar
Are
or maybe
become
you can say
dirty.
the razor, both will become
Dirty.
dirty. So in today's time,
Full form of VC.
Sir, please mute yourself.
Please unmute yourself. Sir, please unmute yourself. Your voice
Unmute
is not
yourself.
coming.
Sir, please unmute yourself.
Please unmute yourself.
Unmute yourself. Your voice is not.
सर अपन वीडियो कितने
Sir, where are you? कहाँ चले गए?
सर वेयर आर यू
Sir,
Students, are you listening? Students, are you
Yes,
listening?
sir.
Then,
Yes,
okay.
sir.
So, in the last previous year, you have read about this, that if the barber told, if they cut their hair, the hands and the razor both will become dirty. But right now, if you visit any barber shop and the salons, then nobody will say like this. If somebody say like this, you will make some action. You can take some action against him or her. Then, so where we talk about the Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Who was the Bhimrao Ambedkar? Tell me. Tell me who was the Bhimrao Ambedkar? बताइए भीमराव अंबेडकर कौन थे?
Sir, he belonged to a lower caste.
He belonged to a lower caste, but what he did for our country? If he belonged to
written a constitution of India.
yes,
Sir,
he wrote,
he writes the Constitution of
yes,
India, and he is
wrote
the leader of.
constitution. He
Yes.
wrote Indian
And he is the
constitution.
leader of Dalit people.
Yes, he wrote the Indian constitution. उन्होंने क्या लिखा? इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन लिखा.
लिखा था.
ठीक है? So after still he belonged to the scheduled caste, he had written a great book, and this great book was Indian Constitution. Or he was not fully written about this. He also make a part of it. Clear? He belonged from a lower caste, and he belonged from the lower caste in Maharashtra. From Maharashtra. ठीक है? अब इससे पहले 2-3 मिनट बचा हुआ है. इसको मैं आज यहीं समाप्त कर दूंगा, उसके बाद स्टार्ट करूंगा. एंड ही बिलोंग फ्रॉम महार कास्ट.